This is Ray, W2RE, and we're out here in the Western Catskills. There's Bobby preparing the 6 meter, making the drip loop on the coax for the 6 meter. Here's the GXP 7-element 7-bander. This is the trailer, our trailer over here, where we're going to be using as an anchor point for the tram line. We got the tram line wire already here. This is a 1/4 inch cable, and there's the trailer. I'll walk you over towards the tower, but first I'll show you what's going on here. We got our coax. We buy them 100-foot lengths from DX Engineering, already prepared. We try to make it easy for us when we get to the site. Some may be a little longer to get to the switch, but none of them will be short. And here's the tower, all 80 feet of it. We got it up yesterday. The original plan was 70. The customer wanted one more section, so if you look, there's one discolored section right there. That was the one from my used stash. Show you what else we got going on here this morning. We got the top plate. This is going to be the next piece to go up. The TB300 thrust bearing. And then over here at the tower, we got our mast prepared to go up as well. This is a chromoly 2-inch. Here's the mast. We got our bracket to be pulled up with it right here. Attach the bracket here and pull it up. You know, a lot of stuff we have to rig ourselves. Like I can't find a block pulley anymore. So we do our own. We have our own pulley here. We do our own mount. I got the Yaesu 2800 cable, the end that goes into the house already here. We got the other end right here. So we do a lot of preparation work. We got our trench, PVC, going all the way back. So that's where we're at. We hope to have the whole tower up. We got the whole tower up now. We hope to have the whole install complete today. And if anything, we'll have to do the wiring tomorrow. But to do a major project like this, Roan 45 to 80 feet, couple GXP antennas, and to get to the point where we are after one day, pretty good. As always, thanks for watching our videos. Ray, W2RE.